Hey everybody, it's Jessica Oyanagi with Bloom, and I'm so excited today to announce to you guys that we are almost ready to celebrate our 1-year anniversary inside our community. And to celebrate, we are hosting a women's workshop week, July 17th through the 20th, and we have 7 amazing women guest coaches who are going to be hosting 7 completely different workshops virtually. So if you're interested in joining us, check out the link in my bio. And if you just want to get a quick rundown of what those workshops are about, here they are.